Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are making a soft, moist and delicious beetroot cake. This pretty looking cake is an easy one bowl recipe. It's made with oat flour and it's free from refined flour and sugar. And I'm also sharing my 4 ingredient healthy chocolate frosting that pairs perfectly with this cake and makes it even more delicious. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. First we'll make oat flour. Add some oats to a blender and grind them into a fine flour. Once done, keep it aside. Now let's prepare the wet mixture for the cake. In a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil you prefer. For sweetness, add 1/3 cup jaggery powder or any sweetener of your choice. Also add 3 large eggs and 1/3 cup natural plain yogurt. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Next add the prepared 1½ cup oat flour, 1½ teaspoon baking powder and ½ teaspoon baking soda to the wet mixture. Gently mix to form a smooth batter. Just make sure not to overmix. Now add 1 cup grated beetroot and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or essence. Mix everything one more time. Then pour the batter into a parchment paper lined cake pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's make a simple healthy chocolate frosting. Into a small bowl, add 1/3 cup thick creamy yogurt. I'm using Skyr, but any variety of thick yogurt will work as well. Add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons jaggery powder or any sweetener you like. Coconut sugar, maple syrup, honey, stevia, monk fruit, anything will work. Add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix well until smooth and creamy. Pop the frosting in the fridge to chill and let's check on our cake. Once the cake is done, let it cool completely. Then remove it from the pan and top it generously with the chocolate frosting. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts or any nuts you like. And that's it. A healthy beetroot cake is ready. It's simple, wholesome dessert perfect for any occasion. Pair it up with a chai or coffee and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried beetroot cake, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.
natural one.